way, pull it back a little bit. Push it this way, pull it back a little bit. Push it this way, roll it up, roll it up. Yeah, hope I'm doing this right. Roll it up. And you want to be very gentle with this last wrapper, this last leaf, because you don't want to damage it. If you get a hole in it, then you won't be able to really smoke it. When you're smoking, the smoke will come out of those holes. Okay, so we're good here. So what we'll do is, I'm going to cut the end of the cigar here. I'm going to use this for something for the end. I'm going to put some glue here. Maybe I'm putting too much glue. I don't know. We'll find out. Okay, this is the first one, so you roll the cigar under your hand like this, and there you have it. So what we'll do is cut the end. I do have a cutter that came with this kit, and I have a whole bunch of cutters upstairs, but this cigar is just way too thick for these cutters. I'm going to trim these edges, make sure they're nice and clean. Same here. Trim the edges. I think scissors are probably your best bet, because those other tools are for professionals or somebody who has done this many times. The Chevette I'm talking about. It's a cutter. It's just a brutal, sadistic looking blade. That's all. So I'm going to clean this out. I'm going to make a wrap for this, for the end, out of this. So I'll make a wrap for the end. Just a ribbon. Because when you have this in your mouth, you want apply some glue here. You wrap this up. All right. So let's say if we were doing a cap, I'm going to try to do a cap also with this. This is not the way they did it on YouTube, but for now we'll do. So once we smoke this, we have to see how this works out. So what they do, they take this and they go around and round and round, and they pull it up. Oh, not big enough. Let's see if I can get anything that's that big. What about this piece? This piece gives us coverage. Yeah, this probably gives us coverage. Let me try this piece here. This is awfully a fat cigar. Well, let's skip this part. I'm not going to put an end to this. I'm going to take this and put it in my humidor, and tomorrow is Thursday. So this is my humidor. I got this hygrometer. Also has temperature in it. So right now it's about 82%, 80% in this humidor. It's a cheap humidor. I'm going to buy a better humidor in the next few weeks. See how this thing goes. And for now it will do. I bought 2 of these off of Amazon for like $9. Can't beat that. I have this old hygrometer, and I'm not sure if it works well because it probably give me a different reading. And I got this old cigar. This is the kind of cigar I used to buy from Cigar International. This brand was called the Gurkha. Not bad. A lot different than this one. Look. Homemade, machine made. Homemade, machine made. Look at the difference in size. Twice as big. Oh, good enough. See how long this is. This cigar measures a whopping 5 inches. So it's a good cigar. Actually, a little more than 5, like 5.5, I think. Anyway, so I'm going to put this back in the glass. Put it back in here. Put this back in here. And that's all she wrote. Humidity is supposed to be between, I don't know, 75 and 80 or something like that. But it's not too humid in there. This is my glue. I'll leave it here. Clean everything up. I hate messy places. They also gave us, Leaf only gave us some bands to put around the cigar. A cutter. A book of matches. And the glue and the 3/4 inch copper pipe. All right. I stole this from my kitchen upstairs. I'm going to take it upstairs. Also, any kind of water you use here to hydrate the leaves, make sure it's distilled water. All these other extras I have here, it's going to go into here. When I get better at this, I'm going to use these leaves on the inside. So we shall not wait. So that was 8 leaves. So we're going to go down to 5 leaves because that cigar is awfully fat. The other thing I got was this container. It's got a seal, this blue seal, and what I intend to do is keep my leaves in here to keep them from drying up. And if later on I'm going to put a humidor in there to keep it at a optimum. Actually, keep them at optimum temperature and or a proper temperature. And again, I got this thing from Home Depot for not Home Depot, from Walmart for any locks, but I use some bungee cords around it to keep it tight. It was around $10. You can never go wrong with bungee cords, you know. Where would human being be if it wasn't for bungee cords? We'd probably be in the Stone Age. Bungee cord invented by a guy named Mr. Bungee. Alright, so put our bungee cords on, and there we go. Voila. Oh, we're going to turn the light off and say goodbye for now.